living every day the hip-hop life. We don't die, immortal.
Bilang isang nilalang na sumumpang maghahatid ng mga musikang kailanman ay di makakalimutan at inaalay kahit kanino man. Patuloy lang, susulat ang tulang, sumusugat, kumukulat ang pandamat, nakakamulat ang mata. Ano mang pagsubok kayang-kaya pag nagsama-sama na ang mga sundalo ng kalsada.
Told you you were wrong, still the undisputed. So get your swag on. You said that I'm done, I'm just getting started. So fuck your old guy, grew up you retarded. See haters everywhere, faggots everywhere. You can't miss me, cause bitch I'm everywhere. I'm on my own shit, they call me what she was. So who's number one in this game? Still us,
I felt my heat when I hit the limit. I felt my speed when the trip and I almost quit it. I felt my feet into deep. I felt my music Mr. Big. I felt my rips don't leak when I split the beat from shit. But again the loss on the chords and my pain find my nerves and my words start to whirl. Now more judge, much heard. My heart on words, much nerd. As I spread the words with the proper verbs. You heard.
Time to reignite the flame. Soldiers join the ranks. Fight the fakes that keep on aiming but shooting blanks. Foundation laying it down on the stone of immortality. Running that doesn't match. That's plain reality. And the sum of the difference we weigh up if you think of it. Distance is immeasurable mathematically. It's infinite. You can't extract the factors. This equation is beyond you. We don't die, we multiply. Still 187 miles.
Makinig ka muna sa sarad ang aking sinasabi. At alam mo na ba kung sino ang nag-umpisa? Kung bakit ang langit na langit kahit di kami kumapit ay pilit na rin kakapit sa kilala't malapit. At bakit ka umiiling ng palihim? Ang papahanga rin kita dahil dugo ko'y 187 din. Boss balita lagay ng titulo mo, di na kami mabubura. Alamat ang titulo ko kasi
walang balaki na sundan ng mga batikan. Sila na kami ang hari at mga yapak namin sundan. Simula pa noon hanggang sa ngayon, tapos ang mga tulad na ito. Simula